Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Samaro Album Studio. So yeah, first what you are going to do need to do is basically type in the Google Samaro Album Studio and then hit it here samaro.ai. Alright, now what we need to do is try for free. We will need to log in here. So continue with Google just like so. Alright. How did you hear about us? So yeah, let's go other or no, let's Google and create account. Okay. Now we need also to secure account. You will put in the uh, mail in. All right. So this is now our dashboard. So now what we can do in this dashboard, we can navigate to event. So we can go here to the events like workspace here. And then what we have here we can create an event. You can see free events is 5 GB storage and 50 guests. So yeah, we will select this one. Then here what we need to do is select the event date. So let's say it will be 30. Yeah, okay, set, enter event type. So yeah, what we can do is select whatever you prefer. So let's say a birthday. You can also set the location and short description about this event. Then you can also choose here a palette of colors. So you can really choose whatever you prefer. Uh, like so, something like that. Then hit here save and next. All right, here we need to put the title. All right, and now we can go save and next. Public. Then okay, new media will be private when uploaded, like that. Media downloads, here you can adjust co-host downloads, guest downloads. Then grid styling, you have horizontal, vertical, however you prefer. Branding overlay, we will leave it as none. Mandatory details for my photos, you can do it with my email, and then you also have here guest contribution. We will leave it like it is. And now we have here, as you can see, here the event. Okay. Now in this event menu, you will see here albums. So you can click on that, and here, as you can see, you can create a favorite list. If you click next and create new list. Now you have here favorite list name. You will type in the name here, media max selection, and then you can put note right here. So we can put in we will put in some picture album. Then we have here max selection, let's say 200, media, and yeah, create. All right, save. And as you can see now, we have here our album. Okay, what else we can do? We see here that we have new option here, create an album directly from your guest favorites. Now we can overview this. So heads up, your free event plan ends in 366 days. All right. So we will need to put some image right here to see basically what we have built. Right now we don't have any uh, photo, so let me just pick up one random photo from here. So I will select this one just to show you how it will look like when you upload the photos here in this workspace and then album of the birthday. Now, as you can see, this is a cover, so it really looks nice. Then what you can have here, you have insights here, so how many storage is used, how many people and guests you have, media library you also have here, and you can add guests. So you will put guests here by the WhatsApp number. You can do that, or by business name if you have it. You can also use email instead if you much prefer that. Then you have here select role type, guest or a co-host. Then you have also select role name. Here you have some options. And yeah, when you do that, uh, you can just send an invite and then people will join in and you will see right here every insight. Uh, yeah, and this is pretty much it. So now you basically know how to use Samaro Event Studio. Here you have basically events where you connect your friends, family, and then you can all together watch the photos and some videos from not matter from the event that happened uh, to you. And this is basically it, how you can use Samaro. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next